Hello friends, welcome back to N1 and 2 tutorial. I am N1. In this video, we will learn a new English grammar topic called articles. Topics we are going to cover in this video. Where do we use a, an or the? What are vowels? What are consonants? These are the topics we are going to cover in this video. So friends, have you heard of vowels? Vowels include the English alphabets A, E, I, O, U, whereas consonants include all the English alphabets except vowels. For example, Y, N, W or X. Okay friends, so where do we put a, an or the, or where do we use a, an or the? Now let's come to the usage. So, usage of a. For example, let us take this sentence. Sentence number 1. Sam's father bought him a toy. In the above sentence, a shows it was not a specific toy, but any toy. So, we use a in this sentence. Okay friends. So, let me tell you now why we did not use the in this sentence. For example, let us take sentence number 2. Sam's father bought him a toy. The toy was yellow in color. In this sentence, we use the because the information about the toy that is in sentence 1 says Sam's father bought him a toy. Now we are specifying more details about the toy. For example, the toy is yellow in color. So we are using the in this sentence. Okay. If we have more information like the toy looks like a horse or the toy looks like a dog, so we will use the in that case. Okay friends, so now let's see the usage of the. The shows that we are talking about the same toy that Sam's father bought him. We are identifying that particular toy which was yellow in color, so we are using the in this sentence. Okay friends, so this was the usage of the. Now let's come to the usage of an, or where do we use an. So let's take this sentence. He ate an egg. This is sentence number 3. He ate an egg. So friends, let me tell you why do we use an here. We use an here because an is placed before the vowel E. The vowel E before an is placed, which is the first letter of the word egg here. Okay friends, see the egg. E is the first letter of the word egg. So we are using an because E is a vowel. Okay friends. Now let me tell you some exceptions. There are also some exceptions while using an. For example, words like European and university. There are many other words also, but in this case, in this video, let's take European and university. Words like European and university do not have an before them. We do not use an before words like European or university, because these words do not have a vowel sound. For example, let's take these sentences. He is a European citizen, or the next sentence, we will study in a university. We do not use an before these words. Okay friends, so if you want to practice some exercises on articles, be sure to fill a practice Google form made by N1 and 2 tutorial. The link to that Google form is in the description below. You can find many multiple choice questions there. Okay friends, so this is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, subscribe our YouTube channel and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.